Welcome to our comprehensive guide on mastering WinRAR. In this tutorial, we'll explore the ins and outs of WinRAR, the powerful file compression and archive utility for Windows. Whether you're a beginner looking to learn the basics or an experienced user seeking to unlock advanced features, this video has you covered. By the end, you'll be equipped with the knowledge and skills to efficiently manage your files and archives with WinRAR. Understanding WinRAR. Q. What is WinRAR? A. WinRAR is a popular file compression and archive utility for Windows operating systems. It allows users to compress files into smaller archives, making them easier to store, transfer, and share. Q. Why use WinRAR? A. WinRAR offers several advantages, including efficient compression algorithms that produce smaller file sizes, support for various archive formats such as RAR and zip, encryption capabilities to secure sensitive data, and a user-friendly interface with advanced features for managing archives. Downloading and installing WinRAR. Q. Where can I download WinRAR? A. You can download WinRAR from the official website or reputable software download platforms. It's essential to download WinRAR from a trusted source to ensure you get the genuine software without any malware or viruses. Q. How do I install WinRAR on my computer? A. Installing WinRAR is straightforward. After downloading the installer from the official website, double-click on the downloaded file to start the installation process. Follow the on-screen instructions, agree to the license agreement, choose the installation directory or leave it as default, and click Install. Once the installation is complete, WinRAR will be ready to use. Exploring WinRAR. Interface. Q. What are some key features of WinRAR? A. Some key features of WinRAR include the ability to create archives in various formats, RAR, zip, etc., add files and folders to archives, extract files from archives, encrypt archives with passwords for security, repair damaged archives, and split large archives into smaller parts. Q. Can WinRAR handle uncommon archive formats? A. Yes, WinRAR is versatile and can handle a wide range of archive formats, including some less common ones. It supports extraction and creation of archives in formats such as RAR, zip, 7z, tar, and more. Additionally, WinRAR's flexibility allows it to adapt to emerging archive formats. Conclusion. Congratulations on completing our WinRAR tutorial. You've learned how to harness the power of WinRAR to streamline your file management tasks and make archiving a breeze. Whether you're compressing files for storage, sharing archives with colleagues, or protecting sensitive data with encryption, WinRAR has you covered. Now go forth and conquer your digital archives with confidence. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tutorials and guides. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy archiving!